How to buy Ryanair gift card online. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you're in here, you have to move into the site Ryanair.com. It will land you on this official page. In here, you have to make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, you will be landing on this page. So over here in the section of Travel Essentials, you'll get to see the option where it says Gift Cards. Head over to it. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, tons of different gift cards will be visible to you. Also, you'll get to see two different categories. One is digital and the other is physical. Select the specific gift card that you would like to purchase. So let's say I want to purchase digital gift card. Select the design and then scroll down. You have to fill up some of the information. Select the country and then select the value. After that, select the quantity that you want to purchase. Once done, enter the delivery information, as in your first name, last name, email address, and also you have to choose the delivery date. Once you have filled up all the information, click on this checkbox and tap on Go to Payment. You have to select the payment option. Once the payment has been done, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can buy Ryanair gift card online. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.